Up. Yep.
Hello.
Hello my friends, how are you? Today I want to show my family ritual. Actually it's Turkish family ritual. It's ritual or no, I don't know. If in the family everybody here, we will do Turkish barbecue. And now I am here and my brother's here and we will cook Turkish barbecue. Now I'm waiting fire with my cat. Look at this. And my cat's waiting meat and I'm waiting fire. Later I will put meat. Yeah, it's not perfect but it's really good because all family together and we are eating and that's good. Yeah, I love this. It's good because I'm going tomorrow. By the way, my mom and my brother feed animals, cows, and I'm cooking. Yeah. Now I will go to kitchen. I will prepare meat. I don't know. I will write. Okay, go. Now I did cat meat, and I will put. Okay guys, meat is ready. I will put fire and it's cook. It will cook. Okay, go. And salt. Yep, fire is not bad. It's okay. Okay. Can you hear this? It's perfect. Now it's cooking and I was give meat the cat, but look at this cat, everybody coming. No, it's not for you, it's my cat. Eat. Oh, it's finished. Look at this. Good job. Go. Okay guys, this meat is all shape. And it is delicious. It's perfect. Oil, more oil, but that's okay. Are you ready? I will turn. Okay. Oh my God, it's hot. Okay. Up. Yep. This is a little burn, but okay. But other meat is perfect. Look at this. It's good. Yep. It's good. Oh my God, look at this. It's barbecue. No, I
Hello.
yeah. It is working, I am cooking, yeah. We are waiting meat with my cat. Yeah. Okay, now this is ready. I will go inside, later change chicken. Yeah, okay. I will put again. Go. This will be good. Okay, second part. This is white meat, chicken meat. Yeah. And yeah, second part. First we will eat meat, later we will eat this. Yeah. My brother finished the job and my mom preparing salad. Yeah. And ayran. Yeah, we will eat.
Ana, düştü mü kere? İşte öyle koyuyormuş. Nasıl daha soğuk.
Hangi olsun doğan 36 bin lira işte. Doğu. Satar da. Satın. Arabayı boyattı, bakımını yaptı, hepsini yaptı. Satar.
5.000 lira gitti diyor ama. Kız gibi olmuş dediğin gülüyor.
Now we finished food and we are resting. Yeah, my brother sleeping. My mom, yeah. My other older brother is going to job. Yeah. Now we we will wait. Later we will drink Turkish coffee or tea. I don't know. Yeah, we will see. It's really perfect dinner.
Köpeğe gidiyor diye geniş oldu.
Okay guys, Turkish coffee is ready and I am really tired. Look at my eyes, it's closing. Yeah, I am sleepy and I will drink Turkish coffee. Later sleep. Yeah, I'm drinking coffee. Later sleep. Yeah, perfect. Good job, Faruk. Yeah guys, today is really good for me because good time with my family. It's perfect because I will go tomorrow to city and maybe 2 months or 3 months later I will come back again here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay guys, I finished the video here. If you like this video, don't forget subscribe and like. Take care please. I love you.